All right, if we take a look, first thing we're going to want to do is make sure we draw a picture, draw a picture, draw a picture. Okay, you might want to do two different pictures. Because you're talking about quadrant 1 and 4 and you don't want to get confused between 1 and 4. So in quadrant, okay, you have thetas between 270 and 360 degrees. Which quadrant are we dealing with between 270 and 360? Braden? Quadrant 4. So theta is going to be down here in quadrant number 4. So here's my theta value. Okay, the sine of that angle is negative 3/5. So the sine of this angle theta is going to be negative 3/5. So it's get your values down there. What's going to go? Where's negative 3? Where's 5? Negative 3 should be opposite. 5 should be hypotenuse, which gives us what for the adjacent side? 4. Beta is between 0 and 90 degrees, which gives us which quadrant if we're going between 0 and 90? Cadence? Quadrant number 1. So here's my beta, and the cosine of beta is 12 over 13. So Aubrey, where's 12 going to go?
It's going to go on the adjacent side.
Okay, and 13?
It's going to be the hypotenuse.
And what's our third value? You remember?
I can't remember.
What's our third value? Anybody? 5. 5, 12, 13. Now I'm going to take a look at problem number 1. Problem number 1 asks us for the sine of theta minus beta minus the sine of, plus beta, minus the sine of theta minus beta. Let's look at our formulas from yesterday. Because we have two different values here. I put theta and beta rather than A and B here. Do we have something there that goes sine A plus B minus sine of A minus B? Can we find that? And what would that equal? 2 cosine A times the sine of B. Well, A is theta times B, which is beta. Oopsie. So to calculate this, we look at our two triangles. What is the cosine of theta? What is the sine of beta? Rana, what's the cosine of theta? 4 over 5. What is the sine of beta? 5 over 13. So we have 2 over 1 times 4 times 5. Which is 40. And then 5 times 1 times 13. 65, which we can reduce down, or if we wanted to reduce here, we can cancel out the 5s to give us a value of 8 over 13. The other problems, we have double angles, half angles. Just apply your formulas. Find your formulas and apply them. You have some trig equations at the bottom, and then you have the rewrites and some equations on the back side. 12, 13, 14, and 15, pick two. Don't do all four, just pick two unless you really want to do all four. Pick two and do two. Questions? Once again, rest time's gonna be yours. This is only Wednesday, isn't it? All right, I will still do another worksheet tomorrow. Friday we'll just do an in-class assignment. I was thinking today was Thursday. I'll still push the review day and the quiz into next week. Okay, I'll still do that. So Friday will just be an in-class assignment day, and that will be it. Monday will be the review day, and Tuesday will be the quiz. All right, rest of the time is yours.